Look, Kiki, where are we?
Supermarket! Yeah! Let's go shopping!
Toys should be put in the locker first and can't be taken to the supermarket.
Let's shop at the supermarket. What do we need to get?
Check out the shopping list. We need to buy these.
What should we get first? Clothes section. What kind of outfit and shoes would you like? This looks nice. I like it. Let's check out the items I want. You can try them on if you like. It fits you perfectly. So handsome. I am all set. Thank you. Toys section. I like this toy. Where is it? Whoa! Cake section.
What kind of cake do you like? Awesome. We've got everything we need. Let's check out.
Hello, please put your items on the counter. Clothes. Cake.
Xylophone.
Shoes.
How would you like to pay?
Cash.
Thank you very much. It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the supermarket. Great job, honey. Thanks for your help. What's our password?
998. 9 9 8. I have to do the grocery shopping today. Kiki, could you help me? No problem. You can count on me.
Toys should be put in the locker first and can't be taken to the supermarket.
Let's shop at the supermarket. What do we need to get?
Come and have a look. Remember to buy these items.
What should we get first?
Snack section.
I want these snacks. Fruit and vegetable section. Honey, let's check out the fruits and vegetables we need. Pear, pear, pear. Which should I tap to weigh fruits and vegetables? All done! You're great! Fish section. We need to buy these fish. Where are they? Let's catch them. Correct. Correct. Correct.
Woo!
Cosmetics section. What kind of cosmetics do you need? This one looks nice. I want to get one. You can try the colors on my face. Awesome! We've got everything we need. Let's check out. Hello, please put your items on the counter. Eyeshadow, chocolate, candy, pear, fish. How would you like to pay? Cash. Wow, you've bought a lot of products. Here's a lucky draw ticket for you. Thank you very much. I hope you can win a big prize. It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the supermarket. Honey, thanks for your help. You are awesome.
Whoa!
Remember to pick up your belongings from the locker. What's our password?
4, 6,
5. 4.
6,
5.